What's up, guys? Welcome back to Videos for Some More. And today we're going to be making a marble ash. I have fidget toys, but I don't have a marble ash. So let's get started. So first what you're going to be needing is any type of fabric. I don't know what this is, but I'm just using this. It's clear. Next, what you're going to be needing is a marble, but I don't have a marble at this point, so we're going to use a bead. And next, Gorilla Glue. And then scissors and a Sharpie. Okay, let's get started. So what you're going to be wanting to do is at first, you're going to cut it out as long, well, not as long as you want it to be. Wait, is this like better? Is this better lighting? What am I doing? What am I doing? I need to find better lighting. Can I go see like this? Sorry guys, I just need to get better lighting. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to get your whatever fabric or this like lace thing or you wrap around a present. You're going to want to cut it as long as you want your marble mash to be. I want mine to be about this long, so I'm going to cut it. Now,
I don't know what you're going to eat that.
Oh, guys, if you want to sew it, you could at the two ends.
He's going to be a weak little boy.
Dad, I'm doing a YouTube channel. You could sew it. You could sew it at the ends, but I'm just using Gorilla Glue to make it faster.
What are you going to eat, Nico? You have nothing on your feet.
So,
where's your shoes?
I'm going to get this big is mine. So then you're going to cut another piece out the same size. I'm going to measure mine. See if they're the same size. Oh, this one's a little bit longer, so I'm going to cut them to be the same size. Okay. Okay, here they are right now. So now what you're going to want to be doing... Dash! Dad, I'm doing something. Okay. So you're going to be needing to do now...
Nico, you can't climb that, Nico.
Is do this.
What are you looking for, Nico? There's nothing there for you.
Daddy, I need help, please.
There's no more of those cookies for you.
Daddy, I need help.
Looking for. You don't want to eat it?
Okay, so you're gonna get your two pieces of this. Daddy, could you help, please? I need help. Should I sit on a chair? I think I should.
What are you looking for before you break my thing? You can't stand on it.
Dad, I need help. The video's gonna end.
Stand on it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna
Stand on
try
it.
to.
When it collapses, it's going to break everything.
Tata!
My walls, everything's going to come out.
Good thing. Daddy,
You can't stand on it, Bobby.
could you please help me? Oh my god, the video's gonna end. Dad, could you help me?
Because you're so complicated.
Dad, could you help
You're so
me?
picky. You are picky.
Dad, could you help me? I need help.
I eat everything.
Dad, come here. I need help.
You guys don't eat enough vegetables.
Dad, I need help.
You're doing good on eating fruit.
Oh my
strawberries,
gosh.
But that's only because it has sugar on it.
Dad, I need help. So I need help putting...
No, you can do it yourself, Eva.
How do I get the glue out?
Figure it out.
I can't get
Squeeze it out. I don't know.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, see, it had that up top. Figure it out, Emma.
The first thing I'm going to do is pour the glue basically on the top.
Can't find something to eat, you go to YouTube.
And put it on. you're gonna leave one of the sides open, not the other side, because that's where you're gonna be putting the bead in for the marble bash. I'm just gonna put the bead in right now. I would suggest if you're doing a YouTube channel on this, I would suggest
We're letting it happen.
you can't sew it. I would suggest super gluing it.
Why?
Sorry guys, that was my grandma calling.
Which one?
Baka.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is. Okay. You're probably gonna want to put just a dot because this is gonna get everywhere. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Okay, I have to make bigger one of these. This is not working. I have to make bigger one of these, guys. This is not working. I don't like a longer marble bash. This long. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. First, you're gonna need a little bit of glue because it comes out a lot. What? Parachutes? What is he saying? I want to see what's outside right now. Planes, parachutes. Oh, my hair comes out of her so high. They probably see planes outside. My brother's obsessed with planes. Where? In our yard. Baka's calling again. Oh my god. Let's go see the birds real quick.
I'm walking down the street.
I want to see the birds. Where are the birds? I don't see any birds.
Here, go get the package from the lady. Go get it.
Hi, birdies. Okay, back to my marble bash. Okay. So we're back to my marble. Don't add a lot of Gorilla Glue. I swear. You just have to let it dry after you add the marble in. And yeah, there you go, your marble bash. You just have to let it dry. Stuff. After you add the marble in. I wanted to do fabric, but I couldn't. So yeah, okay, let's add the marble in now. Not the marble, the bead. What the heck? Guys, Mom, can you give me fabric? This is not working. Oh my gosh. Now I have to get fabric and start this all over again. Oh, fabric box. I want to make a clear one, but I guess not. Lots of needed. Nope. Ooh, blue fabric. Perfect. You're gonna need fabric, not the one that I'm using. Please do not use this. You're gonna mess your whole thing up. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I got my blue fabric. Now we are going to be cutting this out. The length that I I want my marble mash to be. It needs to be a little bit wide at the ends. And it doesn't have to be perfect, remember, because you're using fabric. You can't cut it that well. It's kind of hard to cut, only if you have fabric scissors. But yeah. No, I messed up. I don't want this one. This is gonna take forever. Just repeat the same process, just not with the stuff that I was using. But if the other thing works for you, I would suggest you use it. I'm gonna sew this one. Gorilla Glue doesn't work. Or you could also use a glue stick. Oh, I thought it was cutting my shirt, but it was like it will attach to my shirt also. I finished my homework, so I do my homework in the morning, so I don't have to do it at night. And then I get all like tired and I can't focus on doing it. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Cutting the fabric. Your marble mash will look better. Nico. Nico. Josh. First piece. Okay. Second piece. Want to measure it the same length as it? Gotta be the same length. Wait, where's he going?
You finish up your video because I need my phone.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere, Emma.
Why are you getting your shoes on then? Birkin, sorry. Anyway.
No, you don't like those socks. Those are called no-show socks.
What's no-show mean? Like ankle?
Like you have bare feet, but you have socks on.
Oh,
So it looks
I
like
always.
you have bare feet. It looks like you have.
Oh, like at Vans, like the store van?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Mackenzie has. I love those socks.
You like those type of socks?
Yeah.
People don't.
I always wanted them.
Nico doesn't like them.
Nico, you didn't like these socks, did you?
Baby socks, shush. My God, there's a mosquito. Oh, his shoes came in?
Yeah, so we're gonna try it and see which one fits, and then next time they go tomorrow.
Why did you say Kiwi's food?
Here we got it. Mosquito. We need to sew this. Oh my God.
Why is the AC on?
I don't know.
Oh, I guess it's 77.
Dad, we need the sewing kit. Can you get the sewing kit?
No.
I need it.
I don't know where sewing kit is.
The Gorilla Glue doesn't work.
What are you talking about?
It doesn't work. Look what it does. It makes it like that.
Yeah, but you're doing this on here.
Yeah.
You're getting this all sticky. No, baby.
So this is my YouTube.
This is not a workstation.
For me, it is.
No. Dude, not with that glue. What are you taking? No.
That's fine. Okay, I found it. Oh. So we have all sorts of threads here. I want mine to be colorful, of course. So I think I don't know what I want to put. It's hard. Ooh. Let's come with a needle. Please. Please come with a needle. Which
Where did I put my charger?
there we go. Goodness. Oh, I want to use the teal. Ooh, this baby pink. Teal. Teal's coming through. Okay, I want to make this. You guys, the video might end on you. So sorry if it ends. It only has a certain time because I'm using my mouse right now, not the camera because it's charging. A couple of days we used it of me playing family with my annoying brother. That is the title. Da, 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 da. Shoot, it doesn't come with the needle. There has to be a needle in here. Hallelujah. Needles. Ow! Oh shit, this is gonna be hard. Alexa, put a station on.
Alexa, what?
Oh my gosh! Alexa, put a station on, please. Alexa, put a song on.
It is played by approximately 250 million players in over 200 countries and dependencies, making it the world's most popular sport. The game is played on a rectangular field called a set.
Alexa, put a song on.
Here's a station you might like. Classical piano on Amazon Music.
Alexa, put a song on, please. I do not want classical piano.
Playing your personalized station, my soundtrack from Amazon Music.
Alexa, put a song on, please.
Here's a station you might like. Top Top on Amazon Music.
I don't know. it so it can be like straight. No. This is so hard. Okay, so just put it in the needle. Okay, so now we need it. Oh my god, I got it through and then I just pulled it out. I hate this. Just got it in again. Ow! It hurt. Shush, buddy. That's what mom should tie this in a knot. Stay. Ah, can you tie this in a knot, please? I can't tie it off
Pull the
now.
next one up.
So the needle, just came out.
Then you put these, Mom? It's like bunny.
Alexa, put today's hits on.
The station Today's Hits on Amazon Music.
No. Alexa, put today's hits on. I don't want that song on.
The station Today's Hits on Amazon Music.
Alexa, put a song on.
Here's a station you might like. Today's Hits on Amazon Music.
Alexa, put a song on.
Here's a station you might like. New Age Relaxation on Amazon Music.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? I'm not a baby. Alexa, I am not a baby.
All right.
Alexa, put a song on, please.
Here's a station you might like. Ultimate
Twinkle, twinkle, little
Classical
star.
on Amazon Music.
No, Alexa, put a song on.
Here's a station you might like. Dance Party Favorites
Dance
on
Party
Amazon Music.
No. Alexa, put a song on. You let the dogs out.
This is Who Let the Dogs Out from Who Let the Dogs Out by Baha Men.
Eat your food.
Did you tie it on?
Yeah. Hurry up, I need my phone.
Alexa, you too.
Is this how you sew? Who let the dogs out? Ooh. I never sewed. Oh my gosh, my entire life I'm scared. Ow! Get the trophy, get the trophy. Okay. Please let me know how to sew. Or else this YouTube channel is not going to get 1 million likes like I want it to. Oh my gosh! Okay. Ah! Oh, there we go.
Alexa, turn off.
Oh my god, that hurt. Should we starting? I really. Oh shoot! This is almost gonna stop soon. It just said. Okay, so first you're gonna sew it. Something wrong. So first you're supposed to sew this thing, then you sew it all around, right? Since you sew it all around, then leave the side open, put your bead in, then you sew it at the bottom where you put your bead in, and you got a marble mash. Oh, you're so scared. Oh shoot, did I do it? What am I doing? Okay, I guess I'm sewing. I don't know what I'm doing.